How to check recently unblocked numbers on WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to check recently unblocked numbers on WhatsApp. To start, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Once you are on the main chat screen, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots menu icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings to open your account settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This is where you can manage who sees your information, control your online status, and handle blocked contacts. Scroll down a little and you will see the Blocked Contacts option. Tap on it. Here, you will find a complete list of all the contacts you have blocked on WhatsApp. If you have recently unblocked someone, you can check this section to confirm, because their name will no longer appear in the blocked list. To unblock someone again, simply tap on the contact in this list and choose the unblock option. This is how you can easily check your blocked list and identify recently unblocked numbers on WhatsApp. It is a quick way to keep track of your privacy settings and manage who can reach out to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.